Namaste, friends. Let's begin with our chant of Om 3 times. Knuckles of your thumbs touching your chest region. Maintain very erect position of your body. Inhale deeply and chant Om 3 times. And from there, we'll switch over to our loosening exercises for your middle section. Right? Let's begin. Om. 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 Slowly release your hands, take them back, hold your right wrist with your left hand, be in a straight position, head up, and very slowly bend forward as slow as possible. Try to touch the floor within your capacity. Hold your breath for a while. When you reach to your final position, and while inhaling, come up slowly. Slowly open your eyes, rub your palms and open your eyes. Let's begin with our floor exercises. Middle section, lie down. Today again we are going to repeat our whatever we have done, that we'll do revision that for little times, little counts, not as before 20 counts, just 4 to 8 counts, and then we'll switch over to new ones, right? Take the position. Stretch out well. Stretch out your legs, stretch out your hands. As much possible, stretch out your whole body, sthiti. And then slowly, if you need, keep your hands below your hips for support to your lower back region. If not, you can do without that also. We'll begin with our air cycling, Vichakriyasana, head up, and then start. First, we'll do exactly in the level of your legs only when you are extended that much. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and now cross. Remember to flex your toes well. When you are stretching, going this way, you are extending your toes outwards. And when you are bringing your back, then you are bringing your toes also towards your body. Start. 1, 2, crossing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and third one, you are widen your knees, your toes, your feet are touching each other, that much widen your knees. And then simply rotate your feet around each other. Both the feet are rotated around each other. And today from right from beginning, we'll do it up and down. Okay, let's start from up only first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and press your both the thighs on your knees on your chest. As soon as possible, you would stretch to your spine and just relax. Stretch out well for a while. Keep the position. When you want to lose weight and all, that time you can do it more also, but don't do now. In the morning hours, you can try for your 50 counts also, as per your capacity, but slowly increase it. Gradually increase the counts. Not in one day only you complete. Okay. Now switch over to your bicycle crunches. Bluetooth has come out, just a minute. All right. Right. Hands below your hips. You would support your back region. Right. Now bicycle crunches. First will be the level of your legs, then second little higher, 30, 60, and 90 degrees like that. Okay. Within your capacity, as per your capacity, keep on doing. We'll do a start. Only 12 counts, right? Start. Take your hands behind your head. Every time try to bring your crossing your hand and knees to each other. Okay. And when you open, also open it completely. Don't take shortcut like this. Okay. Just start. If you go slowly, no problem. But don't adopt any shortcuts. Okay, right. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Little up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and up completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and relax. Once again, press your thighs on your chest. You good stretch to your spine, especially. Relax for a while. Once again, stretch out well. Stretch out well. And take the position for your crunches. Reverse crunches. You can do both the ways. You can keep the feet on the floor, only crunches, and reverse crunches. Like tabletop, you can bring your knees up and folding your neck also towards your body. Bending your neck also towards your body. In the beginning, we'll be doing for diaphragm region. So little distance between your knees and your feet also. And remember, inhale when you're down, exhale when you're up. And when you're coming down, keep on looking at above your head. And when you're going up, you're crunching that time. Don't look at your feet or your knees, look at the ceiling exactly. And that way only be giving good support to your neck region also. Otherwise, your neck will start paining if you don't look properly, right? And don't try to fold your elbows like this, okay? Try to keep them bend little, but try to hold them, control them, right? Let's start. Inhale deeply when you're down. 1 in the center, 2, 3, look up and look above. 5, 6, look at the ceiling when you're crunching. Look above your head when you're going down. 9, 10, 11, 12, cross immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and relax. Bring your legs down, feet on the floor, widen your both the hands parallel to the ground. Sorry, exactly in this level of your shoulders. And then twist your body right side or left side, whichever side you are bending. No, twist your body and look at the opposite side so that you give very good twist to your exactly your oblique region, especially Merudandasana. Keep on inhaling, exhaling. Try to bring your legs down and down. Now I think you are perfect now in bringing them down. Try to put them on the floor completely. Come in the center. Go out to the other side also. Fold completely your bend, completely down. Stretch out well and come back in the center, right? Now you'll be doing for your midsection, that middle abs region. Take the position, fold your leg, place it on the other floor, other knee joints, your foot on other knee joint, and bring it in air. Your foot comes in air. Let's start. 12 counts in the center, 12 counts sideways, crossing. Inhale, exhale, exactly as I've given. Inhale deeply when you're down, start. 1, look up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the ceiling exactly. When you crunch, look above your head when you are going down. And now cross. 1, 2, 3. Every time bring your elbow on the floor. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and bring your head down, leg down on the floor, and now cross completely and bring your foot on the floor, exactly touching, and then your knee also touching the floor, if possible for you. If you're not able to do by keeping your hands in the same, you can do it with hand also. You can give support of your hand also. If you can do without support of your hand, it's well and good. But try to stretch out your both the hands well. Bring your knee down and down, touch the floor. Just keep on looking at the opposite side also. Feel the stretch into your armpits, the sides of your chest region, and your abs region. Feel that twist into your middle abs region. Come up, come to straight position, stretch out well, take other leg, the same way other leg, place it, start. Take the position in the center, let's start. In the floor, sorry, in the air, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, look above. 5, 6, look at exactly in the level of your head region when you are crunching. And when you are going down, just look above your head so that you would stretch to your neck region and your throat region. And switch over to your crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your elbow down and down every time. Try to touch the floor with your elbow. Try to touch the floor with your elbow every time. You complete twist your body. And then slowly relax. Bring your leg down. Bring your foot also down, other foot. And try to bring your knee joint on the floor, knee touching to the floor. And look at the opposite side. Keep on, try to do it properly. Try to do it daily, especially these crunches also and some other exercises. Water middle section, try to do them daily. And then slowly come back. Open well. This was for your middle abs region. And now for your lowest abs region. Stretch out well and bring it down and down. Pull it well. Cross well and pull it well. So that just try to touch the floor. If you're not touching, no problem. There will be some distance between your foot and the floor. Okay. But try to bring it down and down. How much well you are crossing your legs, it will be better for your lower abs region. Now take the position and bring in the flow, air, foot in the air, and start in the center and then crossing. 1, 2, look up, look above, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, cross now. 1, 2. If you want to cross 12, 3, 4, 5. You are touching your elbow joint to your thigh region. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and relax. Again, bring your leg down. Other leg also down. Bring it on the floor, touch the floor with your knee joint. Both the hands are going sidewards in the level of your shoulders. Try to bring your leg, the knee joint down and down, knee joint. Or if you're not touching also, no problem. You can use the support of your leg also, or you can turn your body also, twist your body also little. At learning level, no problem, you can try to do that. Stretch out well, but you good stretch your whole body, twisting your spine region. Spine is totally Meru Dandasana. Meru Danda means your spine. You are giving good twist to your spine. Slowly come up, stretch out well, hold well, and then other leg open, cross well, bring it as down as possible, your foot. Cross very much, as much possible. And take the position of your clasp your fingers. And let's begin. Last one for crunches. Center 12 counts, crossing 12 counts. Always remember your neck region position. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up. 6, 7. Look above also when you go down. 9, 10, 11, 12, and cross. Sorry, I forgot to put my leg in there. 4, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Just relax. Bring it down. Foot touching to the floor, the side. Stretch out your legs. Sorry, stretch out your hands. Give good curve to your body. Let your knee joint go down and down. Try to touch the floor. If possible, look at opposite side. Feel the stretch completely into your waist region, sides of your chest region, and your lower abs region, and little twist to your diaphragm region also. Stretch out well, and then slowly come back. Stretch out. We switch out to other exercises, but before that, give good stretch to your body, so that you should have good strength for your next exercises. Stretch out well. You will stretch your body, especially your ankle joints, toes also are stretched out. Your hands also, your shoulders, neck region, whole body stretched out. Just relax. Right. Now try to practice your crunches daily for some days so that some effect will be there. Okay. Now we'll switch over to crossing exercises. Once again, give good support to your waist region, your lower back region, with your hands, your lower arms. With your lower arms, you are giving good support to your sides of your oblique and your hips region also. Okay, now bring your legs up to 90 degrees. If you can bring, it's well and good, or wherever possible for you, right? Just take the position, head up, and then simply rotate your feet around each other. One, as near as your feet are as near as possible and rotate your feet around each other. You are crossing your lower legs. You are crossing just near your ankle joints. That much near you are keeping. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and relax. I think you can continue. Now take little distance between your legs. Widen your legs little, not completely, just 1 foot. Just 1 foot apart, you have both the feet. And then again start rotating as if you are forming 2 half circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maintain the distance. 9, 10. When you are protecting your feet, just maintain the distance between your feet. Same 1 foot distance is there. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Just relax. I think you can continue. You have good strength now. Now widen your legs. Near about 2.5 feet distance between your feet, right? Between your legs, and again start rotating. Maintain the distance. Again 2 half circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are not crossing your legs. You are just forming 2 half circles. 10, 12, 14. Keep on looking up. 16, 18, and relax. Stretch out well. Fold your legs. Fold your legs well. Press well. Feel the differences into your sides of your axilla. Press well. And open your legs for a while. Because you are doing for the first time, I'm giving you some relaxation in between. Stretch out well. Stretch out. Right. Now switch over to your, the same way we'll be doing one more exercise, right? You have just done crossing here, not crossing your feet. You have just done rotating your feet around each other as near as possible. Then with 1 foot distance, and then with 2.5 feet distance, you have just rotated your feet, okay? Not crossed. Now take the position once again. Hands below your hips. Take the position up. Your head, legs to your 90 degrees if possible for you. If not, wherever possible for you. Right? Head up. And now you are literally crossing your legs as near as possible. You need to cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Just relax. Stretch out. Take 1.5 inch distance. Right. Now you are literally crossing your legs, opening and crossing, and again maintain the same distance. Start. Head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, crossing 16, 17, 18, 19, and relax. Stretch out well. When you need a break, you can take a break. Do little less counts and take a break if you need. Now widen your legs as much possible for you. As much possible for you, widen your legs. Nicely 2.5, 3 feet distance between your feet. And then start crossing. 1, cross completely. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can open also well. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and relax. While doing itself, you must be feeling nice crunch into your lower abs. Stretch out well and then fold your legs. Press them on your thighs. Feel the crunch into your abs region. Pull your navel region as near as possible to your back. Stretch out well, press well, and open your legs. Open your legs for a while. Stretch out well. Stretch out your hands, your legs, your ankle joints, your toes, and your shoulder region exactly. Just relax for a while. And we'll switch over to one more. Just try. If you are having good strength, you can do it. If not, we'll switch over to other. Just try. Okay. Or afterwards, tomorrow also you can, tomorrow morning also you can try for it. If you don't have strength now. This is only simply you are taking it just like a scissor. Just like a scissor, you are doing up and down your legs. Okay. Take one leg up and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and relax. Just relax for a while. Head up. Try to bring your head up, body up and up. Be good. And then press well. Then only press well. Just relax. Stretch out well for a while. Stretch out well for a while. See if you can repeat this. We already completed 20 counts, only 10 more counts. Just to get exactly proper way to do it, okay? Open your take one leg up and one leg down. Stretch out well, both the legs are very straight and start. Only 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Stretch out for a while, head up, hold your legs and lift up your body as much possible. Bring your legs as near as possible to your body and then press well. Press well as much possible and relax. Stretch out for a while. Stretch out as much possible. Elbows straight. Shoulder region completely straight. Your collarbones as near as possible to each other. Shoulder blades also as near as possible to each other. Stretch out well your upper part and lower part both ways. Stretch out your calf region and relax. Just relax for a while. Just relax for a while. One more exercise, I think we can try. Okay, very simple it is. You had done also, but you had done slow count. Now we'll be doing it little faster. This is nothing but only widen your hands, widen your legs. Widen your hands, widen your legs. And just you are bringing your legs together, hands together. That's it. Okay. Very simple but very effective exercise for your abs region. Stretch out your hands exactly parallel to your shoulders. In the level of your shoulders, your hands. Legs also apart as much possible. And then start bringing all the 4 together. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, open. 5, open. 6, open. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Crunch, exhaling. Inhaling when you are down. Exhaling when you are up. Keep on. I think 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and slowly bring your legs down. Press well your thighs on your chest as much possible. And slowly open your legs. Stretch out well for a while. Stretch out well. The stretch into your abs region, whole body. You would stretch out, and then once again we'll try only 10 counts, right? Only 10 counts we'll try for now. Very simple. Inhale when you are down, exhale when you are up, and only you are bringing all the fours together. Take the position, stretch out, widen your hands, widen your legs, and start when you are down. Inhale, exhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Press well, hold and press well. And relax your whole body. Stretch out for a while, as usual. Stretch out your whole body. Stretch out your ankle joints, calf region. Stretch out your knee joints. Stretch out as much possible. Your abductors also, hamstrings also, straight out. And then relax. Just relax for a while. Hands apart, legs apart. Head and neck in a convenient position. Just relax for a while. Hands apart, legs apart, head and neck in a convenient position. Collapse your body totally on the ground. Do not hold any weight of your body. For QRT, quick relaxation technique, throw your body as a log of wood on the ground. Do not hold any weight of your body. Feel it getting lighter and lighter and lighter. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax your whole body. Just relax your whole body. Just relax. RT, quick relaxation technique. You need to synchronize your breathing pattern with your abs movement. Like a balloon, your abs come up when you inhale because air goes in. And when you exhale, throw out your complete your air and you exhale completely and bring your abs totally in. Inhale, abs up. Exhale, abs down. Inhale, abs up. Exhale, squeeze in your abs. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in all positivity, breathe out all negativity. Inhale all positivity. Exhale all negativity. Relax. 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 Just relax your whole body. Just relax your whole body. Just relax. Just relax. Just slowly bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Fold your left leg, slide your right hand above your head, turn towards your right side, and stretch out your leg. Both the legs are stretched out well. Your upper palm, upper hand also. Your palm is in standing position. Stretch out your whole body for a while. Keep on stretching out your whole body for a while. Try to balance well and stretch out well. Keep on taking notice of each and every part of your body came into the contact with the floor. Right from your little finger till your little toe. Travel your mind from your little finger to your little toe. Take notice of each and every part of your body came into the contact with the floor. And again from your little finger, little toe to your little finger. Just stretch out, just stretch out. Slowly place your left palm in front of your chest on the ground and come up to sitting position with your closed eyes for a while. Just relax for a while, loosen your whole body for a while. Just relax. Feel the flow of energy throughout your body. Just relax. Rub your palms, place on your eyes and blink your eyes and open. Just take the position. Please switch to pranayama and meditation and just have water. Take the position for your pranayama and meditation. Comfortable position for you. Comfortable position for your pranayama and meditation. Right. Just take the position which is comfortable to you. Erect position of your body. We'll do Kapalabhati and then once again we'll repeat Nadi Shuddhi, Yogic Nadi Shuddhi. You know Nadi Shuddhi where we don't retain your breath. But in Yogic Nadi Shuddhi, you retain your breath both the ways. When you inhale also and when you exhale also. Inhale because since the air is inside, you will be able to maintain that, retain your breath by closing your both the nostrils for a longer time, okay, longer duration. But when you exhale and then that time you close your both nostrils because no air is there, no breath is there inside, you won't be able to retain it for a longer time. Okay, just do it for a little while, right? I will give you the commentary instructions that way. If you're not practiced at home again, because once before I have given, today also I'll give that. So try to do it well. Take the position. In the beginning, always we'll do Kapalabhati first, then prayers, and then Yogic Nadi Shuddhi. And from Yogic Nadi Shuddhi, we'll switch over to meditation. After meditation, if you want to continue, you may continue. If you want to come out, you can come out, right? Take the position. Kapalabhati, whoever knows, keeps doing your Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is nothing but only while maintaining your erect position of your body, chin mudra of your chin mudra, you know very well, right? And then chin mudra or Jnana mudra also is known as. And then you keep on only exhaling. Complete your 120 counts. Whenever you need a break, take a break, right? Let's start. As soon as you complete your 120 strokes of Kapalabhati, feel the differences taking place into your top of your head region. Feel those muscular movements into your top of your head region, your crown chakra, your brain region. Feel that rotation, activation, stimulation into the top of your head region. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Slowly, with your closed eyes, switch over to Namaskar Mudra. Knuckles of your thumbs touching to your chest region, your Anahata Chakra. Try to chant prayers along with me. If you do not know, try to browse it on. You will get it easily. Let's start. Chant Om 3 times, followed by prayers. Inhale deeply. लये संबोधये चित्तं विक्षिप्तं शमये पुनः सकषायं विजानि समुप्राप्तं न चालये ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. Keep your eyes closed. Adopt Chin Mudra. With your right hand, adopt Nasika Mudra. Your thumb is placing your first two fingers and last two fingers are open. This is called Nasika Mudra or Vishnu Mudra also some people call it. Take the position. You'll be closing your thumb side nostril with your thumb and then exhaling from other side. After inhaling, you will close both the nostrils and hold your breath there. Then you will close your other side to your four fingers. You'll close your nostril and thumb side will exhale. After exhaling also, once again you'll close your both the nostrils because we're doing yogic nadi shuddhi. After inhaling also, you will close your both the nostrils. So at every step you are closing your both the nostrils. After inhaling also, after exhaling also. After inhaling, you'll be able to retain for longer time inside your breath, okay? But after exhaling, you won't be able to retain, close your nostrils for a longer time. I will give you accordingly. Let's start. Begin with your, close your thumb side nostril. Exhale from other side. Inhale also from that side only. Close your both the nostrils for a longer time. Exhale, thumb side. Close both the nostrils. Inhale, thumb side only. Close little longer both the nostrils. Exhale, other side. Close. Inhale. Close for a longer time. Exhale, thumb side. Close. Inhale, thumb side. Close little longer time. Exhale, other side. Close. Inhale. Close longer time. Exhale, thumb side. Close. Inhale. Close longer time. Exhale. Close little time. Inhale. Close longer time. Exhale. Close little time. Inhale. Close for a longer time. Exhale. Close. Inhale. Close. Exhale. Close. Inhale. Close. Exhale. Just relax. Once again, adopt Chin Mudra with both the hands. Feel the differences taking place into your chest region. Feel that your lungs have been expanded totally. Feel the total expansion of your both the lungs. Feel the total expansion of your chest region compared to your Nadi Shuddhi. When you do practice your yogic Nadi Shuddhi, you will have more space, more room for your lungs to breathe, and you feel that purified airflow also. Just keep on, just keep on, just keep on. Feel the differences taking place into your chest region. Feel that purified airflow into your chest, your lungs, your windpipe. Just feel the differences taking place totally into your lungs. Just relax. Just relax. Feel that flow of energy throughout your body. With that purified airflow, each and every cell, each and every nerve of your whole body has been activated. Just feel that flow of energy throughout your body. From your pranayama, you are switching over to your meditation through your dharana. Dharana position is nothing but only observing, concentrating, contemplating on the holy point in between your eyebrows, without movements of your eyeballs. Just keep on observing, focusing, concentrating, contemplating on the holy point in between your eyebrows, without movements of your eyeballs. Simultaneously, you are trying to chant any Bija mantra, any holy letter, words, any holy, you can chant according to your preferences, any holy chant, just keep on. If you can chant holy word of 2 letters word, that also will do. If you have practiced that well, you can switch over to now little longer mantra, whichever shloka, whichever holy word you feel. There is no compulsion, any holy word, any holy bij mantra, or any holy mantra or your shloka you can chant if you're able to practice well, but without movement of your lips and tongue. Keep your tongue touching to your inside of your your upper or lower third gums. Keep on touching your tongue to your gums, your upper palate if you can do, it's well and good, or your gums, whichever way is comfortable to you. Just keep on chanting your holy word, your holy mantra, your holy chant, without movements of your lips and tongue. Keep your tongue in touch with your palate or your gums, upper or lower gums, whichever is comfortable, or your teeth, whichever is comfortable. Keep on chanting your holy chant, holy mantra, holy shloka, holy beej mantra, without movements of your lips and tongue, while concentrating, focusing on the holy point in between your eyebrows. First, try to practice your dharana position as long as possible. How well or how conversant, how very comfortable you are with your dharana position, then only you will be able to reach your meditation point, deepest meditation point fast. So you need to concentrate on your dharana position as long as possible for you, while concentrating, focusing, contemplating on the holy point in between your eyebrows, without movements of your eyeballs. Simultaneously, you are chanting your holy bija mantra or shloka, without movements of your lips and tongue. Keep on maintaining your dharana position as long as possible for you. Try to be very, very comfortable in this dharana position. Then only you will be able to reach your deepest meditation point. Automatically, you'll march towards it. So just keep on, just keep on, just keep on concentrating on your holy point, on your holy chant, as long as possible for you. Try to be comfortable in this position. Very naturally, very gradually, you are automatically, you are going into deeper and deeper level of silence. Just you are trying to acquire the deepest point of meditation. Do not control your mind. Do not control your body. Any thought waves, let them come and go. Do not control them. Let your mind be free. Let your body be free. Do not control your body. Do not control your mind. Just keep on chanting your holy word. Keep on chanting your holy chant, mantra, beej mantra. And keep on concentrating on that holy point by keeping your mind and your body free. Do not try to control. As much deeper level you are reaching, very naturally you will, or very naturally you will gauge that you are reaching to the deeper and deeper point of sight. Just keep on reaching to the deeper and deeper point of meditation, that highest concentration point, the deepest meditation point. Just keep on, just keep on, just very naturally. As much deeper level you are reaching, very naturally, very gradually, your thought waves will subside automatically. Keep practicing your meditation daily in the morning hours. Early in the morning, if you can do, it's well and good. At least minimum for 10 minutes, you just sit in a silence position. Constantly keep on doing your meditation. Very naturally, you'll be able to control your thought waves. You need not control, I mean to say, your thought waves will subside automatically very fast. Just keep on practicing regularly, either early in the morning or your sleeping time. So you can do, just keep on, just keep very natural. Keep on trying to reach to the deepest point of meditation. Concluding part also, remember well, don't come out of your meditation all of the sudden. Just give ample time. It's very, very important factor to conclude your meditation very gradually. When you are able to conclude it gradually, very naturally, when you come out of your meditation, very gradually, you'll remember your day-to-day problems also at that point. So keep on extending your meditation duration. Keep on practicing regularly. If you want to continue, you can continue meditation. If you want to conclude, very slowly switch over to your Namaskar Mudra for concluding prayers as slow as possible. No hurry. Namaskar Mudra. If you want to come out of your meditation, please try to switch over to your concluding prayers. Knuckles of your thumbs are touching your chest region. Maintain the erect position of your body. Switch over to your concluding prayers. Asato Sadgamaya Tamaso Jyotirgamaya Mrutyorma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niraya. Sarve Bhadran Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very slowly release your hands with your closed eyes. Take them back Hold your right wrist with your left hand. Be in a straight position, head up, and then very slowly come down as slow as possible from your lower back region, as slow as possible. When you come back in straight position, then only bring your head down. Try to bring it as near as possible to the floor. Just try to reach down and down. Hold your breath for a while. And slowly come up to straight position. Very slowly release your hands. As slow as possible, release your hands. Rub your palms on each other. Place your cups of your palms on your eyes. And then slowly transfer your energy throughout your body. Spread your energy throughout your body for a while. Once again, with your closed eyes, rub your palms. Place cups of your palms on your eyes. Open your eyes. Blink inside only. And then very slowly open your eyes by sliding your hands. Okay, just